for the day. Welcome to yet another session of Vedic Maths. Today the topic is squares ending in 25. Hopefully you have seen the previous video of squares ending in 5, then this thing will become more easier for you to learn. Let's start and take the square of 625. So this is, if you'll see, this is a even number. So 6 is an even number and 7 is an odd number. So I'll teach you the tricks to deal with even and odd both numbers. So first, the step first is square of this number. The number which is previously of 5. So that is 6 square. So the answer is 36. So this is your first step. Second step, half the number. So we'll halve the number 6. So that is 3. Right? Now this is step 1. This is step 2. Add step 1 and 2. So 36 plus 3 is 39. Okay. Now the fourth step is add 0. Where will you add 0? In the number 39. Whenever you have an even number, you will be adding a 0. Okay. Now the last step is square of 25 is 625. So let's combine both this answer. Write 390 and the square of 25 is 625. And this is your answer. Right? Very simple. Now I'll teach you how to deal with the number and odd number. So 7 into 7 equals to 49. Your first step. Then half the number of 7. So 7 divided by 2, when you do it's 3.5. Right? Our next step is we add 49 plus 3.5. So that gives you the answer 52.5. Don't put the decimal as it is not a decimal sum. So just try to eradicate the decimal. So 49 plus 3 is 52 and the 5 as it is. Again the square of 25 is 625. Now let's put this and which will give you your final answer. So 525 and 625. If you see 625 is common in both. Okay. Here you'll always have a 0. Here you'll always have a 5. So even has a 0, odd has a 5 and rest is the number what you get. Isn't this trick very simple? Try to find out the square of 825 square and 925 square using the same technique. Thank you.